Hello students, this is Devendra. So today now we are going to continue with our chapter 1. Okay, so now we have the topic improvement of crops. So you know very well the population of our country is increasing at very fast rate, and the agriculture products must also increase. Most impressive growth in food grains production in our country occurred during 1960 to 1980. And now you know very well, and I think we will we have discussed in our previous videos about the crops. So in India, there are two main season for cultivating crops. You know very well, Rabi and Kharif. Okay, so in our easier word, or we can say that in one word definition is Rabi is the winter crop which is planted at the beginning of winter season and harvested in March or April. Okay, for example, wheat. Okay. Now Kharif is the summer crop which is planted at the beginning of monsoon season and harvested at the end of the monsoon season. For example, rice, maize, cotton, groundnut, pulses, jowar, etc. Okay, so to improvement of the crops, we following are the factors that are responsible for increased production in crops. So now we have the some important factors. The first one is use of improved seed or crops developed by plant breeding. Now second one is improvement in the soil fertility by using fertilizer, but mostly we have to use organic fertilizer in our field. Why? Because they have a very high holding capacity of water, and that's they make the soil porous. Okay, and now third one is protection of plants for pest by using pesticides. That is also very important, because in our previous video we have learned about the pesticide and weedicides and different type of fertilizer also. And fourth one is control the plant diseases, and next is better storage facilities. They both are the all the techniques, all the points, and all the factors that are responsible for increasing crop production. So in our previous video we have discussed all. But variety of plants, or means variety of seeds. How can we obtain the variety of seed? So we want the number of variety of seed, like the disease free seeds, any impurities free seeds. How can we obtain these type of seeds? So we have a very variety of maximum yields we want. So we have a topic of hybridization. Means there is need to be understand hybridization. Why it is necessary? Because after hybridization, what we need, hybridization helps to increase the seed quality. Okay, so hybridization is done by crossing two or more varieties having the desired genes. Means if we want two very good quality of seeds, so we the crossing has been done by the two very good varieties of seed, and what we get a more varieties of seed. Maybe it's a very good quality. Okay, so the hybrids produced are then selected, crossbred rapidly to obtain a variety of maximum yield and utility. So we can say that in a single line, hybridization, it is a process in which the two or more varieties are joined. Two or more varieties, when they crossed, when they react to each other, okay, that is called the hybridization. Okay, you can understand. Now one of the most there is need to be know about the crop rotation, because crop rotation is also improve the soil quality. Okay, how can it? Because the different crops that ensure natural method of replenishments of nutrients, this method is called a crop rotation. Means when we after rabi crops, when we obtain a harvested crops of rabi, there is very need to sown the kharif crop has been sown on that time. Okay, so that is also called the crop rotation and hybridization also. Okay, so by repeating leguminous and non-leguminous crop in the same field, the fertility of the soil is maintained by the crop rotation. We will talk about the nitrogen cycle, because it's play very important role to become a soil fertile. How it is possible? Because you are in 8th class, you know very well, air contains about 78% nitrogen in atmosphere. Water bodies also contain nitrogen. Nitrogen is very essential components of the protein, vitamins and nucleic acid, which are present in all living things. Nucleic acid means DNA. Okay, so the cycle process by which nitrogen elements is circulated continuously through the living and non-living components of the biosphere is called nitrogen cycle. As you can see in this picture, okay, when the atmospheric nitrogen, have you seen, you can see in this picture how the nitrogen are obtained, and it is used by the living and non-living things. We have a number of bacterias, but most of the process there is need to be know about the step of nitrogen cycle. So first we will discuss in this video the first step of nitrogen cycle is nitrogen fixation. Here it is written by me, nitrogen fixation. Okay guys, it is also has been done in two types, and nitrogen fixation have two types, we can say that. So what is the meaning of nitrogen fixation? So converting free nitrogen into its compounds is called nitrogen fixing. Okay, it is also the two types. The first one is atmospheric nitrogen fixation. So during lightning in the sky, when temperature is high, the nitrogen gas present in the atmosphere react with oxygen to produce oxide of nitrogen, which gets dissolved in rainwater, forming dilute nitric acid. This react with alkalis of the soil to form nitrates. That is the atmospheric nitrogen fixation. Okay, and the biological nitrogen fixation, it is mostly done by the bacterias. So atmospheric nitrogen is converted into nitrogen compound by living organisms. Nitrogen fixing bacteria like Rhizobium, Clostridium, which live in the root nodule of leguminous plants, convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates. Leguminous plants means a number of plants that contain a root nodules in the roots. They are belong to the leguminous family. Okay, and the next step or the of the nitrogen cycle means nitrogen assimilation and denitrification. We will discuss in our next, and animal husbandry also we will discuss in next. So guys, prepare notes on the basis of the videos and with the help of your textbook. Okay, thank you so much. And if you feel any problem, so now please you can call me directly, and whenever you getting late to send my work on your respective groups, so you can send me personally also. Okay.